Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you best crypto miner software for PC or laptop. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're looking to get into mining right from your PC or laptop, there are some pretty distinct directions you can take depending on how much you want to tinker with the setup. So, the first option that you may want to try here is going to be Cryptex. Now, it's a great choice if you're using a gaming laptop because it just hangs out in the background, so figures out most of the profitable coins for your specific graphic card here, and lets you cash out in either Bitcoin or straight up cash. Now, it's a favorite for that one-click, low-effort vibe where you don't have to be a tech genius to see results. Now, on the flip side, if you're the type who likes to really dig into the settings, well, we have CG Miner. Now, CG Miner here is an old school powerhouse, so there's no flashy interface, it's all command line based, but that's exactly why people who have been doing this for years still swear by it. Now, it gives you raw, flexible control over your hardware, though it definitely has a steeper learning curve if you aren't comfortable with a bit of coding here. Now, if you're worried about your electricity bill here eating up your earnings, well, Kudo Miner is a smart one to check out. Now, it is designed to balance profitability with energy efficiency, automatically adjusting your power settings and optimizing your hash rates. Now, it's a bit more set it and forget it than the command line tools, but still feels very efficient for a home setup. Now, also we have Nice Hash, which is probably the most famous choice for beginners. Now, you basically sell your computer's hashing power to the marketplace, and they pay you out in Bitcoin, regardless of what you actually mine. You're actually mining here. They do take a small fee for the convenience, but it saves you from having to constantly research which new coin is the most profitable this week. Now, if you also you may want to check the one of the following softwares here. So we also have what we call the micro crypto soft. This is a cloud-based option. So in this case, we have the micro crypto soft 4.0.9 or the V0.1 version, which claims you can mine significant amounts of Bitcoin without any hardware at all by tapping into the abandoned pools. So just between this one, you have to be really careful with those. Well, the idea of making high daily return without a heavy rig sounds like a dream. The wider mining community generally flags those kinds of too good to be true cloud promises as extremely high risk. Now, in this space, if you aren't seeing the hardware actually running in front of you, it's always worth seeing a bit skeptical before you dive in. So that's why choosing the right tool here is something really important. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.